Hello everyone, St. Mark's family. Bless you guys for taking the time to listen to me this morning. I'm Pastor Vivian from Spring Church, St. Mark's West in Maynooth. Welcome to our day 11 of our prayer and fasting out of the 21 days. I still hope you are staying strong, still keep pushing forward, still persevere in the prayer and fasting. And I just want to encourage you with something I've heard somebody once said. Prayer connects us with God, and fasting disconnects us from the world. And I love that. Fasting disconnects us from the world because it brings us into being full dependent on God today, my friends. Being full dependent on God through this time, through this 21 days, and even into our own lives too, in our communities. So my encouragement to you today is to remind you of what the Apostle Paul said in Romans 12 verse 2. Don't copy the behavior and customs of this world, but let God, and I love that, but let God transform you into a new person by changing the way you think. So ask God, whatever you're standing in faith for today, whatever you're giving up for fasting today, whatever you want to see change happening in this year for you, or whatever you want to start in this year, that you ask God, involve God in those prayers, my friends, and ask God for a kingdom perspective on your life today. Ask God for a gospel perspective on your life today, a bigger perspective on your life today as you're giving up stuff to fast today and pray today. Add God to your prayers today. And also I want to remind you of the same grace that saves you is the same grace that's going to change things for you. And the Apostle Paul reminds us of that. He says in 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 10, but by the grace of God I am what I am. But by the grace of God, I am what I am. On the end of the day, after this 21 days, you're going to look back and you're going to say, by the grace of God, I am what I am today. By the end of the year, you're going to look back and you say, by the grace of God, I am what I am today. And it's not without an effect. It's not without an effect. So I want to say to you, church, where Paul reminds us even, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. That's in 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9 and 10. I want to say to you, and I want to encourage you to push forward in your day to day and add God, because it's the same grace that saves you. It's the same grace that's going to change things for you. And I want to leave you with a thought today as I pray for you this today. I want to leave you with this thought to think about. If you are depending on God's grace, how different will that look for you? So my encouragement is to depend on God's grace today, my friends. Bless you guys.